Hi, welcome to my channel, The Soul Awakens. My name is Juliet Bowen, and I had a spiritual awakening about 11 months ago, and I decided to create a channel for beginners. During my spiritual awakening, I discovered I can channel messages from the angels and my guides. So they have given me messages at the end of each of these videos that help guide you toward the subject matter. In this video, we'll be discussing the challenges while you're going through a spiritual awakening. So first things first, I just want to let you know you're not crazy on this spiritual awakening. It is a monumental journey and there are many challenges, but number one, you're not crazy. There are so many people out there that believe in what is happening to you in this world and that there is another side, that we are one with the universe, and there's so much out there that we just can't comprehend being human. So know that it is okay. You may not feel supported right now in your immediate family. For me personally, my husband is 100% supportive, which is wonderful. He just doesn't believe it. So that is a little difficult. I would love to share with him all the latest things I've read or watched. And it's a difficult conversation to have because I know that he would totally listen. He totally supports me. But you just want somebody to believe in what you believe, and especially with anything. But when you're going through a spiritual awakening, it really helps to have some close friends or family that believe in the same things you do. So if you don't, just want you to know that I am here. I'm telling you right now, you're not crazy. You're totally supported. I support you in your journey. And just comment below, and I would love to hear what you have to say. I would be more than happy to answer any questions or just let you know that you are supported. I also want to let you know that you are on the right path. Don't doubt that finding that you're one with the universe and you are on this journey to learn and grow. There's nothing wrong with that. It's a wonderful journey as you look inside to love yourself more, as you appreciate you appreciate yourself, knowing who you are on this journey. There are so many other resources out there that will help you feel supported in this time of change. But I had to look elsewhere for like-minded people. For me, my journey was online. I found many YouTube videos. I looked online for local development groups or meetings, and that was a little bit difficult. So I'm going to give you some links below to some general support groups that may agree with what you're looking for. There are some unity churches out there that are very open-minded, and you may be able to connect with them to have the support that you need. You can physically go there. It may not just be online, but it can be online as well. Some of them do have online sermons that you can watch. There are also many online classes where you'll find like-minded people, whether it's a monthly meeting, a spiritual group meeting, a mediumship meeting. You will find many people open to the idea of the other side. So I'll give you some links below as well to those kinds of groups. And of course, YouTube channel. I'd love to hear your comments below of the path that you are on and how you came about your spiritual awakening. Maybe we'll do a live group with question and answers at one point. I'm just starting out right now, so I'd love to hear what you would like to see if you're not finding what you need online. Another way to cope with some of the frustrations that you may be feeling during this spiritual awakening is just know that you're loved from the other side. You may not be able to feel it, but just knowing that so many energies and source and angels are out there to support you during this time can be comforting. So I just want you to know that. And now for the angel message. Facing challenges when going through a spiritual awakening. How can this be, you ask? How can Source make life so miserable? If you have ever asked this question, and just to let you know, everyone has asked this question, you are not alone. We answer you with kindness and compassion. We answer you with an answer you may or may not want to hear. We answer you from within. If you need to hear an answer or see an answer, we say, look around. See what is going on in your world that surrounds you, your immediate world, inside that family and surroundings of you. If you are a family of one, look around and see yourself. We cannot always give the answers that are wanted. Again, we say, look within. If life was so easy, you would not choose this life, this person, these circumstances. You are here to grow with your own challenges, and believe us when we say you chose well. This may not seem like a great statement, but in fact, it is the statement of your truth. And to have to live the challenges you chose and to overcome and love yourself through these challenges is quite something, a feat from which we all grow. So we thank you so very much, as we love you so very much. So that message was, I think, more about just saying that you chose this life and it's okay. Don't worry about the challenges, because that's what you're here to do. You're here to overcome those challenges with love and compassion for yourself. And my belief is it takes time to do these things. This is not a 5-minute meditation and boom, you know everything. This is more about you just taking the time to understand what's going on and learning to be okay with it. And when you're facing those challenges, look within to your heart to know what the real truth is. If you're having doubts about any of this, just pause for a second and look inside and know that you are going to be okay. So I hope you enjoy that angel message. My next video will be on meditation. I will also have another angel message video. They've asked me to read another message for you, and I will be posting that as well. I bid you farewell with love, kindness, and compassion. Take care.